Hi, today I will show you how to create SEO optimized content and that will rank on Google as well. First, you have to find a low difficulty keyword on which you want to create content. As you can see, my keyword has low difficulty and our article can rank higher if we correctly create and optimize it. You can also check related keywords here on SEMrush. You can note down them and use low quality keywords later in the content. Check my article on SEMrush, you will find it very useful. Website link mentioned in video description. Now what I did here. I have used same keyword with complete prompt. I will share this prompt on my Patreon page. You can create many articles using this prompt. ChatGPT from OpenAI doesn't give me result which I want. So I use this website to create content using same prompt, which I have used on ChatGPT. This website will give you access to use ChatGPT 4. It will give one surge after every 24 hours. If you used my complete guide, then it's enough for you. After that, go to this Content AI Detector tool. Paste the content here and click on button down below. As you can see, this tool detecting this as human written content, which is very good. I have used one prompt to generate this content. If score of it above 90 or it is around 70%, then you should check the result and whichever sentence detect as AI written. Just copy it and then open any paraphrasing tool. You can use Quillbot to paraphrase it. Check my article on Quillbot. You will love to use it correctly. After paraphrasing the sentence, come back to AI Detector tool and replace the sentence, then click on button and then check the result. If result of it is over 90%, then you can move to next step. Now I will check our main keyword which I have used in prompt. Press Ctrl+F and find the keyword. Main keyword appearing in this article is above 25, which is not recommended. Now here is the trick to avoid that and give this article more keywords. Now go to SEMrush and check related keywords. Make a list of low difficulty keywords. These keywords have green button. You can also check competitor keywords and get the idea. As you can see, this first website has 200 plus keywords for this article. There are many low difficulty keywords. Copy them and place in your content. Let me show you how I can change the main keyword with new ones. For example, I will change this keyword with new keyword like this. You can do change keywords like I did. Make sure that main keyword only left 5 to 6 times in the article. After that, place main keyword in your URL. That will help you to increase the SEO. Subscribe our YouTube channel and share it with your friends. If you want to know about prompt, then subscribe our Patreon. I will upload complete video with prompt. Thanks for watching the video. I will see you in next video. See you next time, till then, goodbye. If you are wondering how do I record the audio and edit my videos, then here is the answer. I do record screen with this screen recorder and then edit in FlexClip. It has more features than any other online editor. Please check my detailed video on FlexClip from my channel.